I got an Airsoft unboxing video for today. Bought a bunch of stuff for the film channel, which is Saddler Films. You can find it on the home page. If you scroll down to the bottom, I'll put a link for it as well. I also got a package from the RFDF. They've been watching the channel for quite some time, since the beginning. They also donated this MP5 a while back. This is painted also by Savage Sniper, who has been on the channel for quite some time, almost since the beginning. He has recently passed away on April 1st. Appreciate all the memories you gave us. It's been an amazing run, dude. We will definitely miss having you on the channel. He will get one final video. If you want to go check that out, it will be on Saddler Films. When the series comes out, it's called Operation Save Wildcat. He will get one final run on that. If you want to see behind the scenes only, go check out the Patreon. I'll put a link for that. The Patreon will have behind the scenes. You can see stuff early before the series even releases. This MP5 was based off of the Flood from Modern Warfare. That is what this was going for. It's not exact, but it's pretty close as we could get, as the one in NW doesn't have this default style. Appreciate it, Savage. This turned out really amazing. RFDF has also donated this headset for the Ghost Jawbone loadout in the past. I went ahead and put a microphone on it. These are shooting headsets, but they work out pretty good for that kit. They also donated this vest for the Ghost Reckonal kit. This kit wouldn't exist without you guys, so that's amazing. I definitely appreciate that. You guys brought this kit to life, and I personally prefer this kit over the Jawbone kit. I like this one way better. The Jawbone kit just is really holding well, as it's quite hot. This one's a lot lighter. I prefer this one definitely over the other. Now I do have a lot of packages here off DF. I'm going to save yours till the end. We're going to get to the ones that I've already opened. This is one that I've already previously taken apart and out, as I was using it for the fogging video. So go ahead and open these up. These are just some black goggles. I thought these would be kind of nice to have. Nothing too special. They have a spare lens as well. Put those on the side. They have a cover. Take this off just like this. They're just some nice lens off Amazon. Pretty nice looking. I don't know how much you can purchase those. That's why I got those off of. XT Geo7 tactical goggles. Double anti-fog, high impact. They seem decent. I mostly just got them for the film though. We'll see how those work out. Also got a balaclava mask. This matches the one vest I have. Got like a small vest and a snake coloring. So I figured I'd pick this up. It would go pretty nice with that vest. This is the knife I'm using. This is a skinning knife. I thought this would be kind of cool to use. It's very unique and different kind of style. I want to use something cool for these. This is a Shadow Company patch. So that will be in the film as well. The series is based off of Call of Duty Modern Warfare with a little bit of Ghost Recon Wildlands into the mix. Wow, this one got really packaged well. Oh, here's another package. Open the smaller one again. This knife is so old. This is kind of a skull balaclava that will be used in the upcoming series as well. Kind of different looking. Kind of interesting. Seems cool though. Then we have another balaclava like that. I've got a couple like wing looking designs on it. That was kind of neat too. A bunch of this stuff just came off of some Chinese websites and stuff. Bunch of random sites. I just didn't want to put a ton of cash into this, as you can imagine, gear and stuff costs quite a bit as it is. So this is kind of a budget film. So I'm working with what I got, like the green screen behind me. I make very little off my e-bike affiliate, and it's not even much of anything, to be honest. So this is a black tactical helmet. This is for the Shadow Company loadout as well. There we go. That was a Shadow Company helmet. This one is not Airsoft related, but this one's still really cool. It's something that I needed for the upcoming film. I'll open this up. This is something that Nano and Shogun are gonna quite like to see. Apparently I'm gonna have to put it together. I didn't think I'd have to, but apparently I do. It's in pieces. Okay. Looks like it's all plastic, actually. Well, I was hoping it was at least like aluminum or something. But it's all plastic. Well, that's okay. It just has to look the fault. So here's all fake katana. There we go. Cool. I'm more into the medieval swords, which is what I have right here. This is what I'm interested in. I'm not really interested in the katana so much. Not an anime fan either. But something I needed for the film. I think it'll be pretty cool though. It looks kind of neat. I was going to get a silver one, but I went for the black one as it's just going to be more fitting. It's more my style too. So yeah, those are katana that sadly was not aluminum. It's just a plastic, but it just needs to look the fault, so it's okay. It'll do. I was gonna open RFDF's package with the katana, but it's obviously not gonna happen. We'll have to go back to an oddball knife. I'll go ahead and put Nano and Luke's channels down below as well. They went to Ballahack Airsoft, so there should be some Ballahack stuff in here, or maybe some Western stuff as well, as it was the Wild West event. So we have some playing cards, 54 plastic coated Egyptian playing cards. Probably came from the Ballahack event. We have a Ballahack Airsoft dollar bill. It's actually really neat looking. I was wondering what dollars they were using. Now I know. Yeah, it has Balahak Airsoft written on it. The logo's on both sides. Cool. We have a Balahak Airsoft sticker that will probably go on a magazine or whatever I can find it'll fit on. Not so, maybe M14 mag. It'll probably end up on an M14 mag. Most likely. It's about that size. Balahak Airsoft patch. It's a really cool patch, actually. It's a massive patch, too, man. Go ahead and slap that on a helmet for now. American and a Ukraine flag pin. And a little Balahak thing. Cool. Actually, this can go. There we go. Perfect. Just slap that on right there. There we go. That is the one. That is the most terrible stand I have ever seen. Worst stand ever. Oh, we got a cloth full of katana. And some money. And some playing cards. Sweet. Add that to the collection. With the other supplies they got over here. And yes, the MP5 still running. It did have a motor go out, but I repaired it. It's still up and running. Still running good. I'm going to use it in the upcoming series as well. Go check that channel out. Check out the rest of the videos on this channel as well. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thanks RFDF for the stuff you've given us on the channel. Hopefully I can find some kind of cool little gimmick or like Easter egg in the background or something. These are kind of cool. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.